Hello, our dear watchers on YouTube. Here we are with my friend Stefan doing a new video,
No,
and today we're gonna make a banana shake. What are we gonna need for this recipe? And what is this video gonna be about? This video is gonna be about us making the banana shake and having some fun, saying some things about probably about health. ¿Sí o no, Stefan?
Sándate la chucha.
So I forgot the eggs that are in my backpack. So I'm gonna grab them, pick them up. I don't know how to say that. All right. So here's my backpack. This video is not usual from us because this is not my house. Here you are. There you are. Don't break them, please. Try to not break them. This dog is called Gindo, and he's very smart guy. Now, to be honest, he's kind of stupid, but he's a very chill type of guy. Just as this one. This one is called Moba. So, we open up the blender, we smell it because when it's closed, it kind of accumulates fungi, and we don't want that. So, wash it off real quick. So yeah. This is my friend Stefan. He's a very chill guy. He's getting Gindo out of his sleeping room, of his room. Here we got some frozen bananas, 4 of them, and we got 5 more bananas. We are gonna make this with 6 bananas. So, can you, Stefan, please peel those bananas for us? Peel them off.
Oh, no, bravío.
As you can see, Stefan is very knowledgeable on my speaking of English.
Soy Marisol.
Stefan, can you put that inside of the jar, please?
Huh?
If you can put that inside of the jar, just as you're doing right now. So, what else does the banana shake go with? It goes with some coconut oil. Ideally, you should use some extra virgin olive oil, but this time we got only virgin olive oil. Just as we are, virgins, you know. This has too much water. It will take too much time to boil. This cut is called chalego, which, if I'm not wrong, means cardigan in English. We pour off some of the water for it to boil faster, and we put it right here. Sorry, it was like this. So now we put some of the coconut oil. Fun fact about my friend right here is that he loves men. He likes to fuck them in the asshole and.
Soy Marisol. Pues sí, eso lo entendí.
I think my friend right here. I said the only words that he knows knows the meaning in English. He doesn't speak English at all, but from all the porn that he consumes, it seems that he got all right what I said, because those are the only words that I know, that he knows. I mean.
Soy mariposa.
So yeah. Anyway, this is not a video that a lot of people that we know will see, so there's no problem with that. So what did we do? We put some of the coconut oil right here for it to blend it. I mean to what to melt it down, because this is not gonna emulsify with the shake. I think. I mean, it will probably do, but I don't know. I'll go safer and just melt it down. So how do we do that? We pick up. We pick up or we pick. I don't know. We pick a bigger bowl. We put it right here. We wait for the water to boil. This one was not plugged in. Sorry to. I don't know. Was not plugged in. That was a mistake from my side, from my part. Now it's boiling. I mean, it's not boiling, but now it's gonna boil. Before it was not gonna boil ever. Why? Simply because it was not plugged in. We need it to be plugged in for the electricity system to supply electricity to the. I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah. All right, Stefan, can you crack the eggs in your asshole right here, please?
Voy a hablar en español.
Can you crack the eggs? Yes, crack the eggs raw. Perfect. As you can see, Stefan has some pretty good technique. He has some practice cracking eggs. He's got some practice. He's knowledgeable on this matter of cracking the eggs. These are some very high quality eggs. No, put the five. He's a little slow, but don't worry. He'll take his time, but he'll do it all right. As you can see, he's a pretty chill type of guy. So now, what I'm gonna need you to do, Stefan, is to please.
Without.
To please put some honey on it. This is honey, miel de abejas, preferably unheated, below 37 Celsius, because enzymes start to, I don't know, get denatured or something like that at 37 degrees Celsius, I don't know, and yeah, and so that's also why we do that with the raw eggs, because they're also delicious from the fat. Can it be like 1.5 teaspoon, tablespoon, a spoon, one big spoon. Try it or not. As you can see, our friend Stefan right here bended the spoon. Stefan, you can do this.
Oye, cállate.
You can scrape it against the jar and it will stick off.
Oye, cállate. ¡Mamá!
As you can see, they're calling outside. They're looking for his mom. Tia, buscan! I said, Tia is uncle, I think, but Tia and Tio, both of them are said uncle, which I don't like because, I don't know, both are neutral. I would prefer it to be one male and one female, as in Spanish is. So yeah, we pour it. You will pour the boiling water right here. As you can see, those are some pretty chill animals. These animals, aside from being chill, they're pretty I don't know, pretty cool. This one is my favorite cat in this house. This one is called Zeta, I don't know.
Sí.
So yeah,
¿Qué estás haciendo?
we're melting down the coconut oil for it to blend easier in the
En
blender.
español.
Estamos derritiendo el aceite de coco para que se
Ahí sí.
mezcle más fácil en la batidora.
Ya. ¡Ma!
We're gonna put some salt since Stefan left because it is a good source of minerals. No, I didn't. No, he really left. We're gonna put some salt, some sea salt, natural sea salt. It's a good source of minerals to increase our plasma levels in blood. No, he came back already.
Se fue. No le eches algo.
It's just a little bit.
No
Just
le
a pink.
No le eches
It was just a pink. You're not gonna feel it in your taste buds. In reality, I was gonna put more, but our plans went wrong. You don't want to overheat it because what happens if you overheat it? You denature its vitamins and nutrients. I mean, you're not denaturing really complex structures like saturated fat and stuff like that, but you're actually denaturing some nutrients, vitamins, because the more complex the structures are, the easier they are to be denatured. And well, I didn't care too much with this one because this is virgin oil and it's already been heated. But ¿qué?
Habla en español.
A nuestro amigo Stefan no le gusta que hablemos en inglés, así que vamos a hablar en español. Así que como les estaba comentando, lo que pasa es que uno tiene que tratar de no calentar demasiado el aceite de coco si es extra virgen, porque es un problema para que se desnaturalizan los...
Ya, habla en inglés.
It was a little bit too hot for my taste, for my taste, but no problem because it's all gonna mix together, and the bananas were frozen, so it's not a problem for the other ingredients. Or Stefan is gonna do the honors. Hopefully he will not mess it all up. It's taking a little hard time because it's... Yes, it needs some water. It's taking a hard time because the bananas were frozen, hard frozen, cold hard cash. So we're using the same pot that we were using for the coconut oil because it's no problem, obviously. Our friend Stefan petting our little friend Zeta. Why? Because they love each other. We love our little cats right here. Like this? It's okay?
Sí, sí. No, falta.
All of it?
Yeah.
All of it?
Ahí.
Okay.
No, un poquito más.
All of it? All?
Sí, va. Ya.
You can push this one.
Espérate, vos sin yo.
Ah, he got a little mad with us. Qué raro. I think that's enough. That's enough.
Yeah.
That's enough. Now we're gonna do the taste test. We want to use the same sizes the same size glasses because we don't want.
Agua caliente.
Because it was melting the coconut oil.
En español.
Estaba derritiendo el aceite de coco.
Ah.
For the taste test, we want 2 glasses of the same size because Stefan, that's very dear from your side. Because we want total equality in this. All right, here we go. Cheers. So that's for the video today, friends. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.